I clap with my hands, I walk with my legs, I see with my eyes, I hear with my ears, I speak with my mouth, I smell with my nose, I bite with my teeth, I walk with my hands.
Hello, friends! I am number 24. My number name is TWENTYFOUR. Look! I have so many pens! Wow! Let's count them together till we reach 24!
Hello, kids! Number 24 comes after 23 and before 25. 24 is written as TWENTYFOUR. Now look carefully. We have 24 pens in total. We can also understand 24 as, so 20 plus 4 makes 24. Keep practicing numbers every day.
I am a tiger. I roar. I am a dog. I bark.
Woof, woof.
I am a horse. I neigh. I am a frog. I croak, 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 croak. I am a pig. I grunt. Oink, oink.
I am a bear. Growl.
I am a snake. I am a bee. I buzz. Buzz, buzz. I am a bat. Screech.
I am a goose. I cackle.
I am a rooster. I crow. Hello, children. Did you hear all the different sounds? Each animal has its own special sound. Animals use sounds to talk, call their friends, and stay safe. Can you make these sounds at home? Try and have fun. Today we learned animal sounds.
I am a cow. I say. I am a goat. Listen to me. I am a monkey. I love to chatter. Chatter, chatter. I am an elephant. Hear my sound.
I am a cat. I speak softly.
Meow.
I am the king of the jungle. Listen to my roar.
I am a sparrow. I sing sweetly. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
I am a duck. I go.
Quack, quack.
Hello, children. You listen so carefully. Animals make different sounds to talk and express themselves. Keep listening to sounds around you and try to recognize them. Animal sounds are so fun.
Plub, rub. I have the ub sound. You use me when you rub your hands to clean them. I am a cub. I am a baby animal, like a baby tiger. T plus tub. Hear my ub sound. I am a tub. You can take a bath in me. Sub. I also have the ub sound. I am a yummy sandwich you can eat. H plus ub. I end with ub sound too. I am a hub. I connect many things together.
Very good, children. Let's look at the sound. U plus B. Now say with me. Rub, cub, tub, sub, hub. Now trace all the words. Say each word as you trace it. This will help you remember better. Keep practicing and you will read many new words.
Hello, friends. I am number 25. I am made of 2 and 5. My number name is
TWENTYFIVE.
Wow! Look at all these dolls! There are so many! Let's count them together and reach 25!
Yes, bachcho, we have many dolls here. Now listen carefully. 25 comes after 24. 25 comes before 26. 20 and 5 more is 25 kids. The number name is TWENTYFIVE. Say with me 25. We learned number 25 today. Keep practicing and you will become number experts.
The story name is A Wise Old Owl. There was an old owl that lived in an oak. Every day he saw incidents happening around him. Yesterday, he saw a boy helping an old man to carry a heavy basket. Today, he saw a girl shouting at her mother. The more he saw, the less he spoke. As he spoke less, he heard more. He heard people talking and telling stories. He heard a woman saying that an elephant jumped over a fence. He also heard a man saying that he had never made a mistake. The old owl had seen and heard about what happened to people. Some became better and some became worse. But the old owl had become wiser each and every day. Moral of the story is, you should be observant. Talk less, but listen more. This will make you a wise person.
Hello everyone, I am number 80. I am made of 8 tens and 0 ones. That means 80! Wow! Look at all these colorful lollipops! There are so many! Friends, let's count these lollipops. Yes, let's count them!
Yes, bachcho, there are many lollipops here. Let's count them together and reach 80. Now listen carefully. 80 comes after 79, 80 comes before 81. And the number name is EIGHTY, 80. Can you show me 8 tens using your fingers or objects? Very good. Today we learned number 80.